Hi, I'm Jerry Willett. I've been an aerospace engineer for over 50 years. Wow, 50 years? That's over half a century. Well, during that half century, I've seen many amazing advances in the technology used for mathematical computations. I started out in 1953 with slide rules and math tables. These are the slide rules that I used from the early 50s up into the 70s. Then, in the 1970s, a breakthrough. Early in it, while at MIT's Draper Lab, I was issued an HP 35 calculator. Draper realized that we were doing things with slide rules and math tables that we could do so much easier with the calculator, much faster, much more efficiently. The HP 35 made this obsolete, and so I retired it. In 1979 to 1983, I was a senior scientist on an orbiting astronomical observatory. It was an end-of-life experiment where we had use of it for a few months before they shut it down forever. I purchased an HP 41C programmable calculator, and it had these magnetic strips. I needed that to develop all of the equations that were used to maneuver that satellite. When the next generation came out, the HP 41CV, I quickly bought one of those because it had a fully contained memory instead of the memory modules of the 41C. In the early 90s, I purchased two HP 15Cs, which I gave one to my wife in graduate school and one to my daughter in college. In this century, I purchased an HP 33S, which I use to support my new lightweight portable computer, which I have in my upstairs office. And I've learned to really love and appreciate the reverse Polish notation that HP uses, because it lets me use or generate extremely complex equations, which I could never do on anyone else's hand calculator. And as a rocket scientist, I do make simple arithmetic mistakes. So I use my HP 33S and even the 41CV to keep my checkbook accurate, keep me out of trouble. Thanks.